I don't know why this Galaxy can't join. Something must be going on with his device. Good morning, Ms. Harris.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing them in, and we'll just, you can talk to the defendants, and we can get going. So we'll just wait on Ms. Williams Law to put it on the record. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna get you out in the order that you came in. Miss Erica Lee, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Good morning to you. Mr. Guzman, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes.
All right, un momento. Can we get an interpreter for Mr. Maybe it's in the file already. I don't know if it's been, yeah, it needs Spanish interpreter, so we're waiting on the interpreter. Miss Irving Gooden, or Mr. Irving Gooden. Mr. Irving Gooden, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Your Honor, is it just the one matter that's on the docket?
No, I think he had some more stuff.
So. Thank you so much, my dear. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's just the one matter. He owes for a littering ticket, a blocking traffic, and a defective passengers, whatever. Those are old tickets, so no seatbelt. Good morning to you, Miss Harris. Good morning to you. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you yourself start your camera and state your name, please? Take your hat off, sir. Good morning to you. What is your name, sir? Unmute yourself, please.
Are you able to?
My name is Christian Guyton.
Say Guyton.
Yes, Mr. Guyton.
Good morning to you, Mr. Guyton.
Good morning to you too.
9 o'clock, yes.
All right, your matter is set for trial. I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was Officer Taylor. I told him to log into Zoom. Is there another, like, is he allowed to check in?
I can check on if he called. Is he supposed to, what is he?
9 o'clock for Griggs,
Okay.
but I told him he would need to log on.
I mean, he needs to log on, but I'll check him in. I mean, if he's not here, then that's gonna be another thing.
Okay.
Morning to you, Miss Williams Law.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone. And thank you, Ms. Laura, for the docket.
Good morning to you, Miss Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good to see you.
You as well.
Thank you.
All right, are we ready, Miss Williams Law?
Thank you.
Yes, Judge.
What happened to, no, here it is. All right, call the city of Detroit versus John Lewis Senior, case number SP 17106-191. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
My name is John Paul Lewis, Senior.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a review. I see that you paid the money. Did you do the gun safety course, sir?
I do.
You have a background on. I can't see that.
One second.
Can you email me that course?
I sure can. I can take a picture and email it to you right now.
Okay, if you could, that would be helpful. I'm putting my email address in the chat. Let's talk about what you got out of the course.
Mr. Fidel Lucci is our in-person. He's outside.
What did you get out of the course, sir?
A lot more safety. A lot more safety issues. I said I got a lot of safety. A lot of safety provisions.
All right, that's not helping me.
Well, I know not to use. I know I can only use my gun in dire need and imminent danger.
No. That doesn't convince me that you took the course. It does nothing to convince me that you took the course.
I'm sending you over the picture right now.
That not going to help you. You can send me a piece of paper. Anybody could take the course for you. I need to know what you got out of the course. I need to know some specific facts that you got out.
I know where I can and cannot bring my gun. I know I cannot have any alcohol in my system.
So where can you and can you not bring your gun?
I cannot bring my gun in public places like churches or the mall, or I cannot use my gun unless I'm in imminent danger. I know I have to have it dislodged and not put together. If I've been drinking, I shouldn't have it on me at all. In case that I have been drinking, I have to put it in my trunk and take it loose. I'm a little nervous, Yana, that's all.
I don't know what you're nervous about. There's already either I'm gonna close this out or not.
I do.
You're giving me some general stuff that you should have known. I don't know if you ever took a CPL class, but they give some way more. The course is way more comprehensive than what you're giving me. You should be giving me some statistics on gun violence and gun safety. You should be giving me something more substantial than what you're giving me.
Statistics. I know that more people die from gun violence than than it seems. I know that I need to have my gun locked because I have children. I got gun locks for all my guns and cases. I know that's vital.
All right, I'll pass the matter. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Irving Micah Gooden, case number SP 186-13021. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Gooden. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Good.
I didn't get that, sir.
Irvin Good.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Gooden want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gooden?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll give you a trial date of August the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right. Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. This is the city, Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. He asked for an appointed attorney as well.
Good morning,
You're
Your
free to
Honor.
leave. Can we find out who Mr. Gomez's attorney is, please?
Señor Guzmán, ¿cuál es el abogado suyo?
Pues no sé, pues ella quedó que se iba a comunicar conmigo y pues, o que, y no, estoy
Well,
esperando todavía la llamada y no he comunicado
well,
con nadie.
I don't know. The attorney was supposed to get in contact with me, and that didn't happen. I've been waiting for the phone call to come in. It has not.
Okay, we're gonna get that attorney in here now for you, sir.
Así que
Try
ahora
to.
le vamos a conseguir ese abogado a usted, señor.
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Give Mr. Advice or rights.
Yeah.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Fidel Lucci, case number SP 19006, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Fidel Lucci.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lucia.
All right, good morning.
Okay,
State your name for the record, Mr. Lucci.
Fidel Lucci.
All right, day's date and time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands, we respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lucci, it's also a no insurance proof and 11 to 15 over, Ms. Harris. Mr. Lucci, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there, Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Erica Denise Lee, case number SP 1914053-1, SP 1914078, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Erica Denise Lee.
Good
Your
morning
Honor.
to you, ma'am. Yes,
We would seek a trial date.
very good. That's what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, trial date will be August the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Jonathan Koijai?
Yes, Your Honor. Can you
Good
hear
morning to
me?
I can see. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout.
Sorry,
room.
I'm at work.
Your Honor, we already know, he just wants a bench trial date.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Koijai, case number SP and the state of Michigan. No, city of Detroit versus Jonathan Koijai, case number SP 164-64993. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree about for the defendant.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Guyonai.
All right. Good morning. The day is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'll give you a trial date of August the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, is it possible to do maybe the following week?
Ricardo.
Let's put it August the 10th,
That's good. Thank you.
Judge Perkins.
August the 10th. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goja, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris,
Wait, that's Judge Perkins.
Could we check the status of Mr. Lucci's license, please?
can we run Mr. Lucia's license, please? All right, on the areas, Militia,
I apologize, but no, it's Judge Perkins.
good morning to you, sir. What is,
Clyde
go ahead. Clyde Larkin.
Clyde Larkin. Clyde Juwan Larkin.
Lark, this is Mr. Ogletree, Mr.
Yeah,
Lark.
that's one of
is
my
here.
other places. I need to speak
You
to the
want-
prosecutor.
All right, Mr. Lark, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room.
We know you're.
Your attorney's here. He's going to, try to work something out for you and, he'll come see you when he has things situated, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just sit tight in breakout room 5. Good morning to you.
This for Lucci.
Need a driver's license, please?
Okay, and then I did get a hold of Attorney Paris, and she says she's in Griffin's and she'll come over.
Okay, that is for
For Guzman.
Guzman. Okay, we did find the attorney for Guzman.
Y encontramos el abogado para el señor Guzmán.
Did you send that gun safety course over, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lucci is suspended.
He's suspended, Ms. Harris.
Thank you.
Mr. Johnson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Alex Griffin.
All right, I don't see him yet. Is Ms. Paris in your office?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Berry, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor?
on the telephone at 313-623-1573. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Alex Griffin.
Alex Griffin.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin.
Good morning.
That's your client, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready?
No, if I could have a breakout room with the prosecutor first.
Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Your attorney, Mr. Johnson, is here. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. He's gonna go try to work some things out. Sit tight in that breakout room. He'll come see you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Breakout room 6. Mr. Stephen Green.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Do you have an attorney?
Right, Blake?
Yeah, okay. We'll wait on him.
Mr. Lucci should be coming back into the courtroom.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucci. You can step up, Mr. Lucci. Mr. Lucci, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What is Mr. Lucci? Oh, it was Raymond on the bench one. What does Mr. Lucci want to do, Ms. Harris?
Yeah, Mr. Lucci indicates that he has a valid license, that his license is in hand. I've indicated that the Secretary of State report says otherwise. I think it would be beneficial, and we're asking for a pretrial date so that possibly he could go to the Secretary of State to get some better understanding, potentially come back with a valid license.
That's not worth the plastic it's printed on right now. It's suspended.
I would also ask if there's a reinstatement fee that needs to be paid, if he could have permission to pay that upfront.
$45? $45 right now? Yes, sir. All right. If you downstairs, I'll put this in the computer. Pay re-fee upfront. If you go downstairs and pay that $45, that should get your license valid. That's what I see here. All right, go ahead.
I paid that $50 fee already, sir.
I don't know what $50 fee you're talking about.
I have it right here.
I'm talking about a $45 fee. I'm not talking about a $50 fee. That may have been the warrant fee that you had to get it out and get into court. This is a $45 fee. This is suspending your license. This $45 fee, if you pay that, you will get your license. It should reinstate your license. I will go to the Secretary of State though. Go down there and pay it. It should go through instantly. But if not, wait 24 hours, go to Secretary of State, see if they got a license. We'll give you another free trial day. If you got a license, she can help you better.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, pre-trial, August the 4th, 2026 at 8:30. I'll give you a printout too. Can you give him a printout can you put the re-fee in there, please?
Yeah, it's a civil infraction.
Yes.
And it looks like it just went out on the 17th. That's why he probably thought
Yes, so, but mark on there that, on your, on that ROA,
that
pay refee up front.
I'm gonna
So
make
that they know,
right
and
here.
they know already down there too. But if you have issue, come on back up. But pay the refee up front on that, and you can print him out that ROA so he knows exactly which case. They'll automatically know. Come back on August 4th. I think you should be able to get a good license after that, all right?
Okay, sir.
All right.
But, I gotta go to Secretary of State.
I would go to the Secretary of State because I don't know if it's automatically gonna go and automatically gonna generate a new license. I don't know that. You may be able to tell me that once you go to Secretary of State.
I mean, now, I'm confused right now. So I go downstairs here and pay 45.
Yes.
Then I go to Secretary of State.
So what happened is this, when you got the tickets, they went into default just recently. They just put the fee on it. You have a $45, it was a $50 warrant fee for the misdemeanors. On the civil infraction, only on, well, I won't say only, but this is how powerful the insurance company lobbyists are in the state of Michigan. October 31st, 2021, the legislature, along with the governor, they said these $45 fees, even though they're going to charge you for the $45 fees, we're not going to keep suspending people's licenses for those fees. There are some other cases, maybe like a reckless driving or something fraud in the insurance that they may, that $45 may stick, but all the other $45 fees, they won't suspend your license for them, except for a no insurance proof civil infraction.
Oh, okay. Now, okay, now when our court did 3 tickets, right?
Let's not talk about those.
Okay.
We ain't there yet. Go pay the $45 because it went into default. Now it triggered that $45 and it instantly suspended your license.
Oh.
All right. So go get a valid license, and because I think you're gonna be able to get one no problem after you pay that $45, and then we'll come back and then we'll talk about the tickets at a certain when the time is right. All right.
All right.
All right, Mr. Lucci. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. We'll give you some paperwork, and then you'll be able to take it downstairs. You shouldn't have any problem. If you do, come on back up. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. August the 4th is your next day.
I got you.
All right. All right.
We're ready, Judge.
On which one?
Alex Griffin, trial date.
Have a good day, sir.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Versus Alex, did you give him the paperwork?
Yes.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Alex Bernard Griffin. Case numbers SP 1903740, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Griffin. He's on Zoom here by phone.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Griffin. State your name for the record, please.
Alex B. Griffin.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Set these matters for a trial date, bench trial date.
All right, I have August the 6th.
That's good.
August the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Griffin. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. John Paul Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I am in receipt of your class. I'm really not convinced. I'm really not convinced that you got too much out of it. I won't even. I do see that his. Let's see. issued at Uncoiled Firearms. Who is this? Do you know this Maurice Dixon?
Yes, he works for DPSCD. He's a lieutenant down at DPSCD at on 8500 Cameron. He does private ties. He's actually my best friend. My best friend works with him, so he told me that got me in the class. We did double.
That doesn't help. That doesn't help you.
I understand I violated some laws with my firearms by
No,
taking the
no.
class. I was refreshed.
Listen to me.
Yes,
That
sir.
doesn't help you by taking a class by your best friend's friend. That's, you're really not giving me any substantive information about you really taking this class. They sign these things all day long and say that people took these classes. They even do it for CPL classes.
Understood.
I'm really kind of offended now. You say he's a Detroit police officer?
No, sir. He works for DPSCD.
A Detroit school police officer?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna close it out, dismiss the case. I could call him and everything, but I'll remember Mr. Lewis next time. If you come back in here with this same type of issue, then it's not gonna be the same result.
Never again. Thank you, yeah.
All right. All right, I'll close it out. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Ms. Paris, good morning to you. I have Miss Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Oh, very well. Ms. Paris, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Guzman. You can, two can get acquainted, and you let me know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Señora Parisa, vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta con su cliente, el señor Guzmán, y déjenos saber lo que van a hacer cuando regresen a la sala. Señor Guzmán, acepte la invitación donde dice join.
Christopher Lunsford, he says he keeps getting kicked out of the
See, he's on that. He's
the
on
Galaxy. I
that
believe.
Galaxy.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell him.
I just told him
You
to
can
keep
tell him
trying
to call in.
to call.
Yeah, you can tell him to call in if you have his number. All right, good morning to Ms. Glover. Good morning to Love. And good morning to uh, Stearns, Officer Harrison, and Corporal Taylor.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Um,
Officer, Latasha, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Latasha Green.
Latasha Green, start your camera, please. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, your matter is set for trial. I'm gonna give everybody that's set for trial, I give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you out of here. I mean, we'll get you in the breakout room. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Are you at work, ma'am?
Just got off.
Oh, you got it. What about Officer Stearns? Who is your defendant, Officer Stearns?
Good morning, Your Honor. First name's Gary. I don't recall his last name. Oh, I believe it was for a citation during a narcotics execution of a search warrant back in March. But I actually didn't write the citation myself, and that person is actually, I believe, not in the state today. We were notified about this yesterday, Your Honor. We didn't really give that much of a heads up on this, date.
Here's Miss. Do you have a ticket number at all?
Yes, sir. 1 second. So actually, it's not attached to the subpoena.
Well, Ms. Harris is here. I'm gonna put the officers. Good morning, Ms. Horn. I'm gonna put the
Good morning, Your
officers.
Honor.
I was trying to identify their.
Oh,
defendants, so-
Your Honor, last name's Gadie. First name Gary.
Oh, wait a minute.
Thanks for checking in, Stearns.
Of course.
He's here.
And Stearns, I'll pop in there with you. I did get your text this morning.
Okay, excellent.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Corporal Croxton. Good morning, Corporal Hayward.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The officer for Lynch is here, Mr. Ogletree. Good morning, Sergeant Sanchez. Good morning, Officer Gutierrez. Harlan Green.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning to you. You turn your camera on, sir. You're not scheduled to be here until the 28th. The 28th.
That's
At 8:30.
28. Okay. I thought it was 21st.
At 8:30, July 28th, on Tuesday.
Okay. Thank you. Good
If
morning.
there's nothing further, Mr. Green, be safe. We'll see you back Tuesday.
Okay. Everybody enjoy their day.
Yes.
That's the cutoff.
Ms. Harris.
Yes, I'm here.
The City of Detroit versus Latasha Green, case number 2676726661. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Sasha Green.
Good morning, Ms. Green. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Sergeant Williams, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Sergeant Alan Williams, badge S510 and 7th Precinct.
Detroit Police, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Day is date and time set for a trial. Is it valid?
Hold on, it didn't
All right.
come back.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Ms. Harris, with Ms. Green. You can attempt to get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Good morning, officer. We'll pass the matter. Good morning, Officer Reed.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Do you need to speak with the city attorney and Sergeant Williams?
Yeah, I'll join the breakout room real quick.
It's revoked.
Okay. Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Kashonda Love, case number SP1867768, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
I'm sorry, it was muted. Kashonda Love.
Good morning to you, Ms. Love. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Sergeant Backstresser, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sergeant Backtresser, Detroit Police Department, badge S888.
All right, good morning to you. Sergeant Backdresser, can you turn your camera on, please? Today is the date and time and it's set for a trial. Miss Love, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Miss Love. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right, Backdresser, I can put you in the one if you need to talk to the city attorney. Officer Henderson, good morning to you. Let's pass the matter. Let's pass.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You have Glover.
Yes.
I wonder why it says Robinson. Maybe that's that's the attorney probably. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with and you can wait on the city attorney.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Guzman?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Ricardo Diego Guzman, case number SP 19014301. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, Ricardo Diego Guzmán. Número de caso SP 19014301. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Ricardo Diego Guzmán.
My name is Ricardo Diego Guzman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Mr. Guzman.
Buenos días, su señoría. El nombre mío es Cinea Párez, número de abogada P88615, representando al señor Diego Guzmán.
All right, good morning to you both. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Guzman want to do?
Buenos días a
Your
ustedes dos. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer el señor Guzmán?
Your Honor, at this time, there is no resolution and Mr. Guzman is requesting a bench trial.
Su señoría, en este momento no tenemos resolución al caso y el señor Guzmán está pidiendo una fecha para tener un juicio con juez.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Guzman?
¿Y es eso lo que a usted le gustaría hacer, señor Guzmán?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I have a trial date of August the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you all.
Muy bien, entonces tengo una fecha para ustedes. Es el 6 de agosto del
Your Honor.
2026 a las 9 de la mañana. Si no tienen algo que agregar, les deseo muy buen día y buena suerte.
Your
Yes,
Honor,
yes.
that date does not
Gracias.
work for me. I have several other matters scheduled here in a bench trial right after that I know is going to go. Could we do August the 5th instead?
Su señoría, esa fecha no funciona para mí. Tengo varios asuntos esa mañana y también tengo otro juicio con jurado. ¿Qué le parece entonces el 5 de agosto? ¿Sería posible para usted?
We can do August the 10th.
I have a jury trial that day. What about August the 13th?
Se puede hacer el 10 de agosto. No, su señoría, tengo un juicio con jurado ese día. Pues también yo le ofrezco la fecha del 13 de agosto, abogada.
Okay, August the 13th, Mr. Guzman, August the 13th at 9 a.m. If there's something further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you all.
Muy bien, entonces, señor Guzmán, sépase que la fecha para su juicio para ser el 13 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana. Apunte esa fecha. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias. Fue todo.
Thank you, Judge.
That's it. Gracias.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
Let's see if did you speak with the city Baxdresser and them? Ms. Horn, any objection to dismissing Ms. Love for valid documentation? Ms. Horn, can you put your appearance on the record, please, for Love?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Any objection for dismissing for valid documentation?
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. All right, case is dismissed, ma'am. Provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, you
You're
too. Thank you,
welcome.
Ms. Love. Mhm.
Thank you, guys. Have a good one.
Is Gary Gady? Because Robinson has him too. So
And I'll go in with Miss Sarah Robinson, I believe is his attorney.
yes, and she's talking to one of the clients, Mr. Gady. I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. Miss Robinson is going to join. It's going to come see you. Okay, just sit tight in breakout room 7.
And Sergeant Backstresser, I know you're here for Kashonda Love. We just dismissed for compliance on documents. I don't think you're here for any other cases.
Nope, that's it. That's perfect. Have a great day.
All right, Sergeant
Okay,
Backstresser, safe.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Villaroo, I think that you're fine. We'll if we need you, we'll call you. I don't know if much else is going to go on with that.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to, uh, strike that. Yeah, April the 22nd, 2026 at around 11:40 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of, East Jefferson Street. I don't know what East Jefferson, I guess that's an address in front of, East Jefferson Street. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle
Yes.
and the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And why is that?
Because I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Can I pay it in 30 days?
All right. Come back on 8/20, August the 20th at 8:30, at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, if it's paid, you don't have to come back. But if it's not paid, I do need to see you. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay? And
Okay, you said
Sergeant Williams,
August 20th.
August 20th, 8:25.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. You're welcome. Best of luck to you. Be safe. Sergeant Williams,
You
you be
too.
safe as well.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I have, Guyton, we're waiting on, you have a few more minutes for the officer and Larkins. Do you have an attorney, Larkins?
No.
We're just gonna wait a few more minutes for for the officers' grace period for them. We'll get going in a minute. And then George, I'm waiting on your attorney Ogletree.
Okay.
Give me the second one, please. That's Larkin. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? That's Mr.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Somebody like it made a mistake and had kicked me out the Zoom meeting.
That is Mr. Guyton, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you're going to mute your phone or your background?
All right, my bad. I didn't.
Your background turned off when you when we call your case, please. iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you, sir. What's your name?
Good
please?
morning. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Berlin Lynch Jr.
Berlin Lynch Jr. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your attorney is here. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. In the breakout room, he'll come see you when he has things together, all right?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Christian Durrell Guyton, case number SP 1906052, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name. Ms. Guyton.
Christian Durrell Guyton.
Morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Zavada. There's been no officer here, Mr. Berry. I haven't seen that officer.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaint.
Motion granted, case dismissed, Mr. Guyton. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. The City of Detroit versus Jarvis Larkin. Case numbers SP 1126837, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1141193, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1165875, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1167359 SP 1243590, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1243691, SP 1315908, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 982721, State of Michigan. Oh, wait a minute. SP 130928801, and the State of Michigan versus Jarvis Jarrell Larkin, case number SX35956571. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Larkin.
Yes, my name is Jarvis Larkin.
Mr. Larkin, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. As for the officers, I have Corporal Croxton appeared. Corporal Hayward appeared. Detective Balaja appeared. Sergeant Sanchez appeared. And that's it.
Croxton, I believe Croxton appeared.
Croxton appeared. I'll call him first. Yeah. Croxton appeared. All right. Go in the breakout room, Mr. Larkin. Mr. Berry's going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, there's a date and time set for the trial. We'll pass the matter. Monet's iPad. And you start your camera, state your name, and unmute yourself and start your cameras. State your full name, please.
That's still me, Judge. I'm just on a different one. My phone died.
Stephen Green.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How do I check officer roll call in your courtroom? It's been a while. I'm looking for officers for my clients set for
So
trial
both,
today.
the officers have appeared. I have
Okay.
for Gady, I have Officer Stearns, even though he said he didn't issue the ticket, but I'll let you deal with that. And then Officer for Glover, I have, let's see, who was here for Glover? Henderson. He appeared as well.
All right.
So
I'll
speak with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Gady's having trouble signing in.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may I impose upon Attorney Harris to speak to Mr. Larkin?
Ms. Harris.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Mr. Berry is not getting any headway with Mr. Larkin.
Would you be kind enough?
He wants to impose upon you.
Okay. I don't have all of the notes, so I don't know all of his cases, but I can join you in the breakout room.
There are 16 of them on the docket.
But
okay.
the only officers that didn't appear, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that we're dealing with because all the other officers didn't appear. I don't know what's going on with you and Mr. Berry, Mr. Larkin, but we have, it's just not normally that you get the opportunity to select your own attorney unless you go hire one.
I didn't say that. I didn't like his attitude.
Don't talk while I'm talking. That might be the problem. Then I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. If you can't work it out with her, then I don't know what you're gonna do. Join the room, please. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the chambers and I'll take these files and I'll just zoom in from there.
Okay,
Yeah, and you need anything while I'm there?
I don't think so.
All right. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone?
Ready, Your Honor. And can I ask a quick question in regards to Cornelius Cornelius George? Did Officer Harper check in?
I haven't seen Officer Harper. Hold on. Let me make
Okay.
sure. I'm gonna make sure. You said George, Cornelius George?
Yes. If so, we're ready on, if not, we're ready on him. Just checked with the prosecutor. The prosecutor said that they don't have any record that he appeared today.
All right, City of Detroit versus Cornelius George, case number SP 1900935 appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I'm back on Mr. George. Mr. George, please state your name.
Cornelius George.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Officer Harper. Officer Harper. I don't have an Officer Harper. Go ahead.
Respectfully requested dismissal.
All right, I'll dismiss the case. No officer. If it's nothing further, Mr. George, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate that. You
Have a
too.
good day.
Yep.
Okay.
Mr. Lark, Clyde Lark, that's going to be a dismissal.
City of Detroit versus Clyde Jawan Lark, case number SP 189-89501. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Oshie, on behalf of Mr. Clyde Lark. Mr. Lark, please state your name.
Clyde Lark.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lark.
Good morning, sir.
The date and time, and what is it set for, a pretrial?
Yeah,
Pretrial.
set for a pretrial.
Day of date and time set for a pretrial. What is Mr. Lark? You said dismissal?
Yes, he has a North Dakota driver's license.
All right. All right, have nothing further. Case dismissed, Mr. Lark. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day too, sir. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you. Who else do we have, Mr. Ogletree?
I just have one more client I need to speak to again, and then Richard Granville. I haven't seen him, but I don't have any contact information for him.
Okay. You got the breakout room for your client, right?
Yes.
Oh, Berlin Lynch is in there in 6.
No, I'm talking about Richard Granville.
Yeah, but you got to speak to Berlin Lynch, right?
Yes. I'm going to speak to him again after I speak to Ms. Warren.
All right. Attorney Robinson, are you ready?
Judge Perkins, on Gady, I would move to dismiss the officer who issued the complaint or is not present.
Did you talk to Ms. Horn about that?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, let's call it. I'm gonna do it. Jay Gady, you can call him. He keeps trying to join. We keep letting him in. It keeps falling off. City of Detroit versus Gary James Gady, case number U7-4344826. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gary Gady.
All right, day, date, and time is set for a trial. There was an officer that it did appear in this case. Officer Stearns appeared. So you're indicating you're requesting the dismissal because the issuing officer did not appear?
Correct. Yes, Judge.
All right. Any objection, Ms. Horn? All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. You've already discussed with Ms. Horn, I'm sure, anyway.
I have discussed with Ms. Horn. I told her I was going to make the motion. I don't know if she wanted to have input, Judge.
Well, she was here just a second ago.
Is she in room 4, Your Honor?
No, she's not in room 4 anymore. She was here when I called the case. I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss it. Officer Stearns did appear, but was not the issuing officer. All right, you can I'm gonna waive Mr. Gady's presence because he's been having trouble. For the record, he's been in and out of the room and the waiting room and everything, and he can't seem to get his device to sign in. All right.
Thank you.
If there's nothing further on that, case dismissed. You still have Glover, right?
Yes, Judge. Glover may go to trial where we'll know soon.
Okay, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
It's my understanding Mr. Larkin is entering a plea. We do recognize that these are older tickets. He will be entering the plea to 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed person to drive, 1 count of improper plates, and 1 count of failing to display. So that's 1 fail to display, 1 improper plate, 2 allowing.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, let me try and draw your attention. Let me try to draw your attention. Back to February 16th, 2022 at around 5:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Van Dyke and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? They say you were operating a 2006 Jeep. You recall that?
Yes.
And were you operating that Jeep on that date and that time?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No,
And why is that?
I don't have a license.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Let's try this, try carrying your attention way back to, October the 21st, 2020 at around 1:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Strasburg. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit police? They say you were operating that same, well, I don't know if it's the same one, but 2006 Jeep.
Yes.
Were you, was that your car, sir?
Yes.
All right, the officer asked you to produce valid driver's license, and was it something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
I never had plates on it.
Okay, all right, and you didn't have a license, correct?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to the improper plate. And find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for the not having the valid driver's license. All right, one more. Draw your attention back to December the 2nd, 2020, around 2:06 p.m. City of Detroit, area of Connor and Harper. Have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department.
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Because you didn't have a license, correct?
Correct.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated, Your Honor, request permission to allocute on behalf of a client.
Go ahead, counsel.
Respectfully request leniency in terms of any fines and costs imposed by the court. Understand that he did just tender a plea to 4 misdemeanor matters. That might mean a significant amount of fines and costs. We're asking for leniency with regards to that. And the court agrees to pay any else.
All right, you broke up for most of that. What I'll do is this. You owe a lot of money in civil infractions. I'll fine you for the failure to display 240. I'll cut you a break on the other stuff. I'll pay by 8/20/2026, and I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. You don't have to come back, but you pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down on or before August 20th and get into a payment plan. I would advise that you pay these no insurance civil 2458. No insurance proof, 336. No insurance proof, 288. No insurance proof, 336. No insurance proof, 336. I wouldn't put those in the payment plan. I would pay those off first. That way you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but if you pay those tickets, those no insurance proofs and that no insurance civil, you'd get clearances here at the 36th District Court, all right?
All right. So how many you said I had to pay in total?
Well, you have to pay in total. You have a whole lot to pay in total. You got a whole lot to pay in total. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 no insurance proofs and 1 no insurance civil will get you the clearances. Then you owe the 240 I fined you for today. And then you got plenty of other civil infractions that you're going to need to pay at some point. But those 5 will get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. Speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She'll explain to you. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you. You don't have to come back when you get after you're done speaking with Ms. Harris. On the iPhone, good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Tony Geiger.
Yeah, you missed your date the other day.
I did, and I thought it was the day after. All these trial dates, I've had them like one day after each other each month the last 4 months, and I just got confused. I called before the
Spell your last name, Miss Geiger.
Geiger. And then Mr. Taylor told me to come today at 10 o'clock.
Where is Mr. Taylor?
I'm not sure. He told me he was coming before me so he could talk to you before I got here.
City of Detroit versus Tony Geiger, case number SP1866702, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Geiger.
Tony Marie Geiger.
All right, Mr. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time is set for a it's in warrant status for purposes of arraignment on the warrant.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. We'll tell Mr. Harris the next trial date is gonna be August the 6th.
August 6th. I will write that down right now.
At 9 a.m. August
9 a.m.
6th at 9 a.m. Don't miss it, Miss Geiger.
I will not miss it.
We'll wish you the best of luck. Have a very good
Thank you.
day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Schmidt, can you put that down on that paper, August 6th, so I don't forget, please?
Yes, I have it.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Have you talked to Attorney Blake?
Not, I've been calling this morning, Judge. I haven't talked to him yet, but I did talk to him last night.
Hello. Just come around, have a seat. Your Honor, I have to step away for just one moment. This is Ms.
Very
Schmidt.
well, very well.
Your Honor,
Yes.
there is a Maria Marinino.
Manarino. Hey, how you doing, Miss Manarino?
Hey, Sean, are you busy? Come out and say hello.
I will.
Bottom line here, this is it's a brutal worker. It's a dismembering.
I just saw Todd in the hallway and I was talking to his new little law clerk or old little law clerk. And I was telling the little law clerk, you can't do this and be shy. Right, right. You know, right. Be bold. Hey. So I'm in semi-retirement. I very seldom get out anymore. I had to come out this morning, but I'm just 3 weeks post surgery, getting new parts. Yes. So
Did you get knee replacement? Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, another thing that happens, but hey, I'm going to be brand new.
Yeah.
Running marathon.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's wonderful.
Hey.
Hello, darling. How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself?
Good. So I never get out. And so since I was out, I thought I would hop in and say hello. I wanted to thank you for all the entertainment you've been providing. So that's what what we scroll, right? So I've been scrolling and watching so many of your room
Don't watch that stuff.
reels.
That stuff you did.
Oh my
watching
God,
that
it's
stuff.
so much fun. I love the sovereign citizens.
Oh my goodness. There's something else, aren't there?
You handle it so well. You are so amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. What's been going on with you?
Just in semi-retirement, and I got new parts. I got a brand new knee.
I know you told me you were having, so that went well. Looks like it went well. Right?
Yeah, I'm 3 weeks post, and so just getting out a little bit now and then, but I am really trying to wrap everything up so I can write the books.
Like Okay, I'm waiting on, Gady Kent, Lunsford Kent, their devices, I don't know. They've always had difficulty with devices and, I guess we're waiting on Miss Horn. Do you have Miss Horn's number, Miss Harris?
Your Honor, I do.
Can you text her and ask and let her know that we're waiting on her? That there's attorneys in here need to see her, please?
Will do.
he.
Judge, are you on mute?
Yeah, Ms. Horn, good morning. Can you give
Good
Ms.
morning, Your Honor.
the ability to or just put her in breakout room 4, please? Because I'm in my chambers and I don't have the host ability.
You talking to me, Judge, or you talking to Ms. Horn?
No, I was Ms. Schmidt. I don't think anybody can do it except from my computer now.
Oh.
I should have gave somebody else the host ability. But can you go to 4 right quick, Ms. Horn?
I think you can
Absolutely.
reclaim host. You can reclaim host, Your Honor, from your end, and it'll let you do it.
I can.
You should be able to, if that's both the
I
same
got it. You
login.
got you're on it, Miss Harris. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Let's see.